Hi sweet blossoms, today we're making this adorable dress-shaped keychain. It's perfect as a gift, a bag charm, or even to sell. And the best part, you can use all those leftover yarns, scraps you've got at home. Let's crochet this little cutie together. Make a slip knot on your hook and make 14 chains. 1, 2, 3. Now join with the slip stitch to the first chain here. Insert your hook, grab a yarn, bring the yarn out from 2 loops. Okay, now we're gonna making 3 chains as a 1 double crochet. Again 1 double crochet in the same stitch. For making double crochet, wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the chain, grab a yarn, bring it out, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. Okay, make another double crochet in the same stitch. In this round we're gonna making 2 double crochet into the each chains that we made in the first. 2 double crochet in the each stitches. Okay, in the end we must have 28 double crochets. If you are new on my channel and haven't subscribed yet and you're enjoying this video, please do subscribe and tap that notification bell so you won't miss out my upcoming tutorials. Okay, your support truly means a lot to me. Continue with making 2 double crochets into the each stitches until the end. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain. Here is our round 2. For round 3, make 3 chains as a first double crochet and making 1 more double crochet in the same stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and increase double crochet in the next stitch. That means we must have 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, again repeat this diagram. 1 double crochet in the first stitch, 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Do this for all stitches you have on your round. In the end we must have 42 double crochet. Okay, do this until the end. Then join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain. And now for the round 4 we're gonna making 3 chains as a first double crochet, then make 1 double crochet into each next 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 and 9, and skip 11 stitches, 1 double crochet into the 12th stitch. Okay, these skip stitches will be making our sleeves place. Okay, now we're gonna making 10 double crochets into the each next 10 stitches for the next side. And now skip next 11 stitches and join with the slip stitch to the first in the 3rd chain here. Okay, our little dress is shaping here. And now for the round 5, make 3 chains as a first double crochet, make 1 more double crochet in the same stitch here, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch, increase double crochet in the next stitch. That means you must make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this diagram until the end. In the end we must have 13 double crochets in this round. Okay, I'm here to help you become a confident crochet pro, so don't be shy. Feel free to ask me anything in comments. Ask me your questions. I'd be happy that I can help you. Okay, do this until the end. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the third chain. Now we're gonna making round 6. Make 3 chains as a first double crochet again, and now make 1 more double crochet in the same stitch and 1 double crochet into the each next 2 stitches, first and second one, and again increase double crochet in the next stitch. That means you are making 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, again 1 double crochet into the each next 2 stitches. Repeat this diagram until the end. In the end, you must have 40 double crochet in this round. Okay, just keep going along by making 1 double crochets and increase double crochets. Okay, in the end, join with the slip stitch to the third chain and cut the yarn and fasten off. I'm using my needle for ending my rows always. Insert my needle under the third stitch here, look here, bring it out and insert it again inside the first stitch, and done. Here is my end of the row. There's no sign of sewing or ending anything. Secure my tail of the yarn between the stitches in the wrong side, and don't push the needle, and cut the tail of the yarn. Okay, let me hide this tail of the yarn too. Which color combo would you try for your own keychain? Let me know in comments. Okay, now for the edge of the bottom of the dress here, bring your next color, make a slip knot on your hook and start from any stitches you like. Insert your hook into the one stitch, bring the yarn out and make a single crochet. Okay, here is our first stitch. Wrap yarn around your hook, skip next stitch, into the third stitch, make 4 double crochet, 2, 3 and 4. Skip next stitch, this stitch, into the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. Again, skip next stitch, into the second stitch, make 4 double crochet. Okay, again skip this stitch, into the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. Do this diagram, repeat it until the end by making 4 double crochet in the same stitch, skip next stitch, into the second stitch, make single crochet here, again skip next stitch and repeat. Okay, repeat this diagram for the all stitches in this round until you reach to the first, and look here, repeat this until the end. In the end, after that you make your last stitches, slip stitch into the first single crochet and cut the yarn and fasten off. Would you prefer this keychain as a back charm or gift for a friend or a little girl maybe? Should we turn this mini dress into a doll outfit next time? Let me know in comments. I think the little girls will be so happy that they can have this little cute dress for their own dolls. Don't you agree? Okay, now for this line, make a slip knot on your hook, and now insert your hook into the stitches here between round 3 and 4 here. Bring yarn out from there and now start making slip stitches in each stitches. Okay, 1 slip stitch into the each stitch. Insert your hook, bring the yarn out, and again bring it out in from the loops that you have on your hook. Just making a slip stitch into each stitch. When you reach to here, make a single slip stitch here and go to the next side to the first stitch and again make a slip stitch. Just keep going along by making a slip stitch in this round. In the end, we must have 12 slip stitch, okay? Insert your needle under the first stitch here, bring it out and insert it again inside the last stitch and pull it and done. Secure it between the stitches in the wrong side. And cut it. Our little dress is ready. You can use the keychains with attached chains or small decorative charms for more personalized touch here. This type of keychain ring or this type, okay, or any type of keychain ring you like. I use pliers to attach the keyrings to the little dress here. First of all, I place the little ring here between the stitches, and after that fix the keyring inside it, and by using the pliers fix it, okay? Our little cute dress keychain is already done. I hope you had fun making this mini dress keychain with me. Don't forget to tell me in the comments what you'd like me to make next. And of course, please subscribe so you won't miss all the lovely projects I'm preparing just for you. Thanks for watching. Happy crocheting. See you in next video. Love you all. Bye.